Welcome back to Tramcrazy, everyone. It's been nearly a year since I published that first introduction video, but now I've got everything I need to record the best content possible for you all to enjoy. So, to start with on the channel, I'm going to do a short series about the recently disclosed Log4j vulnerability in the Java logging package Log4j, which affects nearly all major software on the planet. So, after that, we're going to be doing a series on Python, and it will be a 10-part course covering the basics of Python except from object-oriented programming, which we might get back to later. We've got lots more coming up too, like what I thought of TryHackMe's Advent of Cyber 2021, which is just finished, a long-term review of my amazing PC, and first impressions of my new headset and microphone. We'll also be doing some videos on Raspberry Pi and Arduino, including deploying various services to Raspberry Pi through Balena. I'm also planning to teach an HTML course, a C++ course, and showing you how to get into the world of cybersecurity and ethical hacking. I'll also be doing a series of TryHackMe walkthroughs about their Linux learning rooms, and I'll be setting up remote.it on a Raspberry Pi for remote access. I'll be comparing Windows SSH clients and setting up Kali in VMware. So there's lots coming up on the channel, so get subscribed, like this video and comment what you would like to see on the channel. Bye!